fuck Flex is. LSD. Took out his partner.
Yeah, what up now, you fucking pig? You like that, do ya? You like that? I'll fucking kill you, fucking pig.
Oh shit, I should probably drag them away from the fucking hideout. They're gonna find the fucking bomb. Yeah, come with me.
What up now, motherfucker? May have got my friend, but I got you guys in the end, didn't I?
Fuck you. Fucking take all you out. I'll take the fucking world out.
I'm gonna blow everything up!
Fight it all you want, fucker. Resistance is futile. Where am I? What happened? What, you don't remember what happened, motherfucker? Stand up, right now, stand up. I'll tell you what fucking happened. Me and my boy kicked you and your cyborg boy's ass, and we're gonna do it again, too. We're gonna blow up the fucking world. I'll kick your fucking ass. What'd you do to LSD 9000? Tell you what I did to your fucking partner. Little virus I came up with. It's called the spider virus. You attach it to the membrane, and it closes down their fucking circuit matrix, making them totally immobile. They'll never work again. Yes,
You're
I am.
madman.
A madman? A fucking madman? Yes, I'm a fucking madman. Why do you think I'm trying to blow up the fucking world? What's wrong with you, man?
So what are you gonna do with us? Kill us?
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna let you watch the demise of the fucking world. I'm gonna make you watch the bomb blow up and see all the people fucking die. Fuck you. Oh yeah. And this is for Alex.
I ripped off your glasses and I took off that fake phony ear, too. I'll tell you what, man. That's fucking weird shit.
What'd you do with our weapons?
Your weapons?
Yeah, our weapons.
The weapons are right there. But they're electronic weapons. They too were affected by the spider virus. They no longer work. Sorry about your luck.
How are you planning on destroying the planet?
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I got a bomb chilling in a hidden location. It's made out of uranium-138. The most explosive, most radioactive of all elements. And I'm gonna blow up the fucking world, baby. It's all going to shit. Every one of us be dead. Every one of us.
Flex, you barbarian.
Oh yeah. Come on, come with me.
I ain't going anywhere with you.
Okay.
Come on.
Why is that?
You know you're not gonna get away with it.
Oh, bullshit, I ain't. Other hand, right now. No, fuck that. Up against the fence. There you go. Yeah, what up now?